How to turn off app and website activity in screen time on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, we go down to the bottom and then tap on Turn Off App and Website Activity. Here, you need to enter in a screen time password. And then from the pop-up, tap on Turn Off App and Website Activity. Here said screen time will no longer be reported and all limits and downtime settings will be turned off. And that's it. So now we have turned off screen time. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.